Samsung is engineering a device that aims to completely end the traditional laptop era. The leaks out of the IMEI database and supply chains have just confirmed that the tech giant is ready to unleash its true titan, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Forget everything you know about standard mobile computing, because what we are looking at is no longer a mere tablet. It is a titanium-clad, AI-driven machine aimed squarely at destroying the dominance of Apple's premium hardware. If you are a creator, a heavy multitasker, or someone who demands the absolute peak of mobile productivity, you need to hear this before making your next purchase. Today, we are breaking down the authentic, leaked architecture of the upcoming beast, the massive upgrades that make it a certified laptop killer, and why its secret weapon will change how we work forever. Let's address the element that defines the look and feel of premium power right away: the chassis materials. For years, premium tablet design was locked into a predictable cycle of slightly thinner bezels and matte aluminum. Samsung is completely changing the game here by moving to grade 5 titanium. If you have picked up a recent flagship phone, you already know the distinct, cool-to-the-touch, incredibly strong feel of titanium. Bringing this ultra-premium metal to a massive 14.6-inch canvas completely alters the ergonomics. It provides structural rigidness that eliminates any flex across such a massive surface area, while aggressively keeping the chassis remarkably thin and lightweight. The real visual revolution happens on the front panel. For generations, users have vocalized their frustration over the camera notch cutting into their immersive screens. Samsung has finally listened to the enthusiast community. The Tab S12 Ultra is engineered to introduce under-display Camera 2.0 technology to the lineup. This completely eliminates the notch, hiding the dual front-facing sensors beneath the active display pixels themselves. When the camera is not active, you are left with a seamless, completely uninterrupted 14.6-inch 3K dynamic AMOLED display boasting a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. To make this the ultimate outdoor workstation, they are layering it with an advanced anti-reflective coating that destroys glare, even under direct sunlight. Now look under the hood, because this is where things get intensely competitive. In a major strategic shift, Samsung is expected to move away from the traditional silicon strategy, opting for a custom-tailored flagship chip. The rumor mill is split between an unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite variant and MediaTek's top-tier next-generation processor. Whichever path they finalize, the architectural focus is clear: maximizing raw on-device processing power and dedicated neural processing engines. We are talking about a jaw-dropping configuration that tops out at up to 24 GB of high-speed RAM and 2 TB of internal storage. Let that sink in for a moment. That is more memory than most high-end consumer ultrabooks on the market today. It means you can keep multiple heavy applications running simultaneously without ever experiencing a single stutter, reload, or dropped frame. But raw horsepower is useless without a revolutionary way to deploy it. That brings us to Samsung's true secret weapon, the brand new Neural Dex system. This isn't just a slight software refresh. It is a complete reimagining of what an Android desktop environment can achieve. Traditional mobile operating systems always hit a wall when it comes to true desktop-class window management, local file systems, and heavy production apps. Neural Dex utilizes the massive on-device NPU power to bridge this gap completely. It uses localized artificial intelligence to predict your workflow, automatically managing system resources and adjusting the user interface based on the task at hand. Imagine editing a complex 4K timeline in LumaFusion while simultaneously running a data-heavy spreadsheet and a video call in separate windows. The Neural Dex system ensures that each window behaves exactly like a native desktop operating system application, offering intelligent snapping, real-time background processing, and full file system freedom. This is the exact moment where the line between tablet and professional PC blurs into non-existence. For the creative community, the S Pen is the primary reason to choose a Samsung flagship over anything else. The Tab S12 Ultra steps things up significantly by pairing with the newly developed S Pen Pro 3. The massive upgrade here is the integration of advanced tactile haptic feedback. When you draw, sketch, or write across the expansive glass panel, micro vibrations simulate the exact resistance of physical mediums. It feels like pencil on paper, charcoal on canvas, or ink on parchment, completely eliminating that slippery plastic on glass feeling that has plagued digital artists for a decade. Combined with ultra-low latency and restored highly precise Bluetooth remote features, it is an absolute dream tool for professional designers. Of course, driving a massive 3K display, high-end desktop-class silicon, and an aggressive AI engine requires serious power management. Samsung isn't cutting any corners here. The Tab S12 Ultra is set to pack a massive battery capacity expected to reach up to 12,500 mAh. But the real innovation isn't just the physical size of the cell. It's the intelligent battery efficiency protocols baked into the system architecture. The customized processing platform dynamically scales down energy consumption when performing lighter tasks, ensuring that you can comfortably breeze through a full workday of heavy professional use without constantly looking around for a wall outlet. And when you do need to juice up, the upgraded ultra-fast charging speeds ensure you are back to full power in no time. Let's talk about longevity and value. Because at this level of investment, you deserve a device that stands the test of time. Samsung is doubling down on its industry-leading ecosystem support by guaranteeing a massive 7 years of major Android operating system updates and security patches. This means your premium investment stays completely modern, secure, and packed with the latest software innovations well into the next decade. Combined with a robust quad-speaker setup tuned for pristine audio, a dedicated microSD slot for endless expansion, and full IP68 water and dust resistance, this machine is built to endure the realities of daily life. The countdown has officially begun, and the ultimate mobile workstation is closer than you think. Stay tuned as we continue to track every breaking leak, official announcement, and direct comparison leading up to the massive unveil. If you want to make sure your next tech upgrade is truly future-proof, you cannot afford to ignore what is coming. Thank you so much for watching today's deep dive. If this video helped you understand the massive shift happening in the mobile tech space, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a single piece of breaking tech news. Now we want to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and let us know. Do you think the combination of titanium design, 24 GB of RAM, and the new neural DeX system is enough to finally replace your laptop? Or are you sticking with a traditional PC? Let's get a conversation going down in the comments, and we will see you in the very next video.